Okay, so for our cooking club today, let's see if we have all the ingredients. Atta, boiled potato, tomato, onion, lemon, little bit of coriander or kothmeer, garlic ya lasun, cabbage, or you can have cucumber. Okay, first we are going to, if you have all of this, and I asked you to make a chutney, it's optional. अगर आपके पास है तो good, if not it's fine. Okay, first we are going to cut the tomato. Okay, we'll cut it into small pieces. Small pieces. Same, we are going to cut this. We're going to cut little bit of lasun. Okay. We are going to chop this half. Small pieces. I'm going to chop the coriander. Alright. Now we'll put all of this in this bowl. Now we'll take this lemon and we'll put this lemon here. Half lemon. Okay. Then we will put some salt. Salt. Okay. Then we'll mix this. After that, we are going to peel this potato. Okay. After you boil the potato, you will chop it. Okay. You can cut this into 4 pieces. That's it. Okay. Cut your potato into small pieces. Boiled potato. Okay. And then you can keep it in your plate. Okay. Yeah. Now we are going to take our cabbage and we will cut this into thin parts. Okay. Please take your parents' help when you are cutting anything. Okay. Now you can keep this in your plate. Okay. You can cut this onion also. Okay. Keep this here. Now we are going to make our roti. We have our maida. You will take a ball like this. a ball like this. Put some atta. And then roll it out. Make this roti. Done. We are on a plate. You can make one more roti. I'm just showing you. Yeah. Alright, put it on your plate. Now we are going to use the gas. So we'll go to the kitchen. Okay, now we are going to cook this roti. Okay, ये रोटी को हम पकाएंगे. So turn on your gas. Take a pan. ठीक है, एक पैन जैसा भी नॉर्मल तवा ले लो. आई एम यूजिंग दिस पैन. लेट इट गेट हॉट. ऑलराइट, यू पुट योर रोटी ऑन योर तवा. ठीक है, we'll let this cook. Flip it, not with your hand. When you have color like this, जब आपके रोटी में ऐसा कलर आ जाएगा, then you can stop. Okay. Now I am going to cook in this same pan. Okay. मैं आलू को फ्राई करने वाली हूँ थोड़ा सा. If you want, you can use a कढ़ाई. अगर आपको कढ़ाई यूज करना है तो आप कढ़ाई यूज कर सकते हो. Okay. I'm going to put oil. थोड़ा सा तेल. I'm going to put a little bit of chili powder. Okay. And a little bit of salt and potato. Okay, we'll cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it's done. You can take it out on a plate. Okay, turn off your gas. Take it out on a plate. Okay. Now we have both these cooked. We are going to assemble. Okay. Now we are going to assemble. हम सब लोग सब चीज को एक साथ करेंगे. ये जो टमाटर we made salsa, mix it. Okay. Mix it nicely. Okay. Done. In this potato, you will put chaat masala. You will put this green chutney if you have. If you don't have green chutney, it's okay. We're going to mix this green chutney and mix this properly. Okay. Alright. Now we are going to make the roll. If you have some more green chutney, use it on your roll. Okay. Put potato in between. Okay. Then put the salsa. Then put the cabbage if you have. If you don't have cabbage, that's fine. Little bit of cabbage. If you want some onion, you can put some onion. Okay. If you have cucumber, you can put cucumber. Now you have to roll this. Okay. You can roll this. Put this on a plate. You can put some of this in the side. If you want to put some sauce, you can put some sauce and then eat it. Okay.